Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest products. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best fireproof safe box on the market, the SentrySafe Fireproof Safe Box with Key Lock. Let's get started. When it comes to protecting your most valuable possessions from fire damage, having a reliable safe is essential. And that's where the SentrySafe Fireproof Safe Box comes in. This safe is designed to keep your important documents, digital media, and other valuables secure and protected from fire. One of the standout features of this safe is its advanced fire protection. It's all classified for fire endurance, meaning it can withstand temperatures of up to 1,550 degrees Fahrenheit for half an hour, ensuring your documents and valuables remain intact even in the event of a fire. The privacy key lock adds an extra layer of security, keeping unwanted viewers away and preventing the lid from opening during a fire. Plus, it comes with 2 keys and bolt-down hardware for added peace of mind. Another great feature of this safe is its convenient carrying grips, making transportation and portability a breeze. Whether you need to move it from room to room or take it with you on the go, this safe is designed to make your life easier. Now, let's talk about size. This safe may be compact, but it packs a punch in terms of storage capacity. With interior dimensions of 3.5 inches in height, 12 inches in width, and 7.5 inches in depth, you'll have plenty of space for your important items. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the sturdiness, value for money, and durability of this safe. It's clear that the SentrySafe Fireproof Safe Box is a top choice for anyone looking to protect their valuables from fire damage. And that wraps up our review of the SentrySafe Fireproof Safe Box. If you're in the market for the best fireproof safe box, look no further. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this one. Until next time, stay safe.